This is Paul with Inverse Tachyon, and today I want to give you a video walkthrough of our 3D WebGL globe. Now, we've just released a patch version of this, version 2.0.4, for compatibility with Splunk Cloud. So that is still pending. App Inspect 204 is available right now for Splunk Enterprise, but I realized that I never did a video for these when, in fact, I wasn't even doing video when I first developed this. So we are going to install this on a standalone Splunk, and we're going to do that by going to this gear icon next to apps. And we are just going to install this from a file. So we have the package file here for version 2.0.4. And if you're upgrading this version, make sure to tick the upgrade app and go ahead and click upload. And that's it. Now, this is a standalone Splunk. If you are running in a distributed or an enterprise environment, make sure that you deploy this consistent with your deployment architecture. Now, the easiest way to show a demo of this app is to go to under settings on the black navigation bar, searches, reports, and alerts. And in the app dropdown, we're going to want to change this to the WebGL globe. Now you can see that we have a demonstration search in here. This is powered by make results and fabricates some IP addresses, runs it through the standard Splunk IP location, and then pipes it to geostats. So you can see there, if I click run on this, this is the standard map that comes up with a geostats command. And to kind of take note of where these pie charts, where these series are. But we want to click this visualization selector and click the WebGL globe icon. And you can see here that we now have it rendered on a globe. So if you remember, the pie chart in the middle of the United States was the largest, and you can see here the corresponding series bars, series columns are the tallest on here. But this also has several other formatting options available. So if I go to the format, we can first of all change the globe's texture. We can give it a color texture. We can give it a cloud overlay. We can actually change it to several of these hues. And I'm going to go back to dark because I do like that better. We can give it a colored background. So I guess this is about right at the color temperature of the universe after the Big Bang, before it got sparse enough to start letting photons out. Or we can go back to a star field, give it kind of an in-space look. We can choose to show the controls. And so that's going to be these controls up here. We can pan up and down, pan left and right, even zoom in and zoom out. And we can also choose to show the legend. So you can see here, if when enabled, you have got this legend here in the bottom right corner showing what each of the colors of these columns represent. And then finally, we can select some animation parameters. So right now it's set to static. I'm going to give it a rotation period of 60 seconds. And we have just created a day of 60 real-time seconds length for our globe. If we want to speed that up just a little bit, give it a rotation period of 15 seconds, and that's the amount of time it's going to take to complete one full rotation. So that is a quick overview of how to install and how to use the WebGL globe. And again, version 2.0.4 is available right now on Splunk Base for download to Splunk Enterprise and soon for Splunk Cloud. So thanks for your time today. Hope you enjoy, and happy Splunking. Bye.